Hi friends, welcome back to Cooking Stories. Today we will prepare tomato rice, which is an easy and quick lunch, especially when you are in no mood to cook a lot. So get ready and let's start cooking. In a pan, we will take around 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, around 5 dried Kashmiri chillies cut into half. Now we will roast them on low flame till a nice aroma starts coming out and poppy seeds starts to splutter. Once done, transfer it to a jar and grind it into a powder. You can also prepare it in bulk and store this powder in a closed container for future use. In a separate vessel or kadhai, heat around 1 tablespoon oil. Add a quarter teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once mustard seeds starts to splutter, we will add few curry leaves. Saute it for few seconds. Now we will add around 4 big tomatoes chopped into small pieces. Mix it well. Now close the lid and cook it on medium flame till tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Once tomatoes are cooked well, we will add around 3 tablespoons of grinded powder which we prepared earlier into it. Give it a good mix. Now we will add around 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it nicely. Now we will add 2 cups of cooked rice into it. This will serve 1 plate. Switch off the flame and mix it well. Finally, we will add 1 tablespoon of grinded powder again into it and give it a good mix. This is it. Hot and yummy tomato rice is ready for you to serve. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.